To transfer money from a flexible spending account or FSA to a bank account, you need to follow a series of steps carefully. First, understand what an FSA is. It is an account that allows you to set aside a portion of your income on a pre-tax basis to pay for qualified medical expenses. Start by checking your FSA balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transfer. You can do this by logging into your FSA account online or through a mobile app if your provider offers one. Once you have confirmed your balance, gather the necessary information, including your bank account details such as the account number and routing number. Next, log into your FSA account and navigate to the section that allows you to manage your funds. This is often labeled as payments, withdrawals, or transfers. Select the option to transfer funds to your bank account and enter the required bank account information. Be careful and accurate when entering this information to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer process. After entering your bank details, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure this amount does not exceed your available FSA balance. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the bank account information. Submit your transfer request. The processing time may vary depending on your FSA provider, but it typically takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep in mind that there may be limits on how often you can transfer funds or minimum and maximum transfer amounts, so it is a good idea to check with your FSA provider for specific rules. It is also important to be aware of any potential fees associated with transferring funds from your FSA to your bank account. These fees can vary, so reviewing your FSA plan documents or contacting your provider directly is recommended. Finally, once the transfer is complete, verify that the funds have been successfully deposited into your bank account. You can do this by checking your bank statement online or through a mobile banking app. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, do not hesitate to contact your FSA provider for assistance. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices outlined, you can efficiently transfer money from your FSA to your bank account, making it easier to manage your finances and cover qualified medical expenses.